Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Dory Vlogs 29. Guess what we're doing tonight, guys? We're having movie and game night. With who, guys?
Me.
Special guest in the house.
I'm not a special guest. I'm the main character.
Oh my god, you hear that? She's the main character, guys. Not a special guest. She's no guest. She's, what did you say you are?
Main character.
Main character. All right, and what we have first game, we're gonna play Jenga. Let's see if Jolene is gonna cheat tonight, guys. Okay? Enjoy. Is in the house, guys. Zuri, say hi, Zoo. Hi, Zuri. Say hi. There she is. And of course, we're watching Family Feud. Grandma is playing Family Feud and telling us that we're supposed to be quiet so she can hear her show. Stay tuned, guys. It's Jolene's time to play. It's the first move.
I don't know where to pick from.
What's your favorite color?
Blue?
Be strategic. Look at her go, guys. Awesome. All right, now it's my turn. She's worried about her next move, guys. She's balancing. She says she's the balancer. Balance girl. That was too easy, guys. Too easy.
It's called skill.
Skill.
I don't think you know what that means.
Oh my god, no, no, she didn't. I think we're at intermission. Is it intercession or intermission? Intermission.
What?
We're at intermission.
Oh, I'm gonna go get
We're
a
on a
snack,
break.
guys, because I'm a big back.
All right, guys, it's my turn. It's my turn.
You know you don't have any muscles. Why are you kissing non-existent
Yes,
stuff?
I do.
No, you don't.
I'm cheating.
Cheater.
That's what you get.
Cheater.
That's why I'm cheating. Held it with both hands.
Cheating.
What?
She cheated,
Girl.
guys. Do you think that
Girl.
counts? Okay.
Your turn.
Peppa Pig is going to tell me which one to pick. And since her favorite color is red, I'm going to pick a red one. Because she has a red dress on.
All right, where you going, girl?
I'm going to do this one. Because she told me to. Grab it, Peppa.
Oh, she got 64. Oh, Pepper did it.
Pepper?
Who is it?
It's Peppa Pig.
That's what I said.
You said Pepper.
Yeah, Pepper, short.
No.
Pepper Pig.
Peppa.
Peppa Pig.
Peppa.
Pepper?
Peppa.
Peppa.
Peppa Pig.
Yeah, okay. Listen, girl. I'm going in, guys. I'm taking and I'm looking. See what my best option is gonna be. Oh, I see an easy pig that's poking out its leg at me.
Fair.
Dun, dun, dun. I think this stack is more stable than the last one.
Yeah, because we had to rebuild it because she decided she wanted to knock it down. So,
And we
Yeah.
forgot to record it, guys. All right, there it is. Guys,
I'm ready.
wait, Zuri said she's here to comfort me because she know I'm gonna win. She know I got this. But Zuri, it's Jolene's time. She got your Zuri. Jolene got your toy on her head. Go get it. Don't knock the game over.
So,
Get it, Zoo.
guys, Auntie
Get it.
accidentally used her foot and kicked this, so...
Go get it, Zoo. Get it from her. Are you ready?
Yeah, I already started.
Where are you?
You clicked it on
Where?
accident.
Oh, there.
So
Okay.
I'm pushing this one out because it's easy. And it's also Bluey's favorite color.
Go get your toy, Zoo. Get it from the gal.
Right. Ready? You want to put it on?
Your turn, Zoo. You want to take?
Oh, no.
Really?
Wait.
Zuri,
Okay.
playing a game here. It's not time for you to
Looks
get
like
rubbed.
Zuri wants to, video bomb.
Mm-hmm. Go let Grandma rub you. Go. Oops, sorry. Let Grandma rub you.
Come, Zuri.
Zuri.
Come.
Go to Julian.
Come. Come.
All right, I'll do it with her. All right, I'm gonna try this
She
one.
doesn't like me.
Zuri, have Grandma rub you. Look at that one hand, guys.
No, but
it's
look
shaking.
now. Look at it. There's only one right there, guys, and then there's one down here too. Like, this is impossible.
There's
Right,
one
Zuri?
right here.
This is impossible.
Right, Julian, one here. One
Oh,
here.
and there's one there too.
Mm-hmm.
Each oh my god.
All right, your turn. No, make it stay because I you're gonna tip this one over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Really? Oh my God, it's moving
It's gonna fall.
on every level. I hope it don't hit me in the head. Can I do it? Can I do it?
Oh, I'm scared, guys. It's gonna fall. Move your head, move your head, move your head, move your head,
No,
move
it's
your head.
not.
It's gonna fall.
No.
Right when you take that out, because that's supporting everything.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yeah!
You have to put that on top, though. What if it falls when you put it on top? Ah! I told you. Hey. I'm the winner.
Come here.
Guys, I won. Me, the winner. I won. And you lost.
Loser,
You
loser.
lost. You lost. Hey, you lost. Look at that.
Zuri, you sorry for me? I'm the loser.
Okay, guys. So we might be playing another game. So stay tuned.
Alright guys, so it's blue and it's a circle. So I'm gonna play my rainbow. And I'm gonna change it to triangle.
Okay. Let's see if I have triangle, guys. So here's my pile because you didn't get to see it. Yeah. Well, let me actually put it down here. So triangle. I'm gonna use this one.
Okay. Alright, triangle, and look how
Look at
pretty
Zuri in the
mine
back. Ooh, she has a mermaid. Okay. I still have some triangles, and I'm gonna use this one.
Alright, I think. Do you guys get this?
What?
No, it says Loch Ness. I thought it said lioness, but no, it's not. What's a loch?
I think it's a type of sea creature that went
Yeah, as a-
extinct, or it's a mythical sea creature.
See where the pic. Loch Ness, Nessie.
Wait, are Gryffindors real?
There we go.
Are Gryffindors real, guys?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Gryffindors.
So there's your answer.
This. Gryffindor.
Oh.
I doubt that they're actually real.
All right, your turn.
Not Gryffindor, I mean Griffin. I was saying Gryffindor from Harry Potter this whole time.
You're a mess.
But I love Harry Potter. So this is the card I'm gonna place down. It's a fairy. Okay, your turn.
All right, so we're still on triangle.
Mhm.
Okay. Here.
All right.
All right, and this is a Yeti.
A Yeti.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're still in triangle, and I do not have that.
So
I'm gonna
what do you
pick
call
off
that?
a
The
pack.
stack you go?
The pack.
The pack.
I got this one, so I didn't. Yeah. Your turn.
All right, we're still on triangle. I'm gonna put down my big foot.
There's Bigfoot. I do not have that, guys.
Oh my God! The actual competition, I feel like I'm gonna win. And we played some games. We played this game early, and you won like 5 times.
3 times.
Was it 3?
Yeah.
Well, it felt like 5 because I was crying. All right, still no play for you.
Nope.
I have no play either, so I'm gonna go to the pack and no play.
I still don't have it, guys, so I'm gonna pick off the pack again. Your turn.
Back to the stack.
Zuri's eyes look yellow in the background.
Oh, but you said we go by color as well,
Oh, wait.
right?
Did
so
I?
this is orange, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you said we go by color.
Oh, I don't even have orange.
All right, I do. So I'm putting orange.
Wait, guys, is this orange or red? I think that's red because this one looks lighter.
Oh, this is red too, so I don't have
Let me
any
see.
play.
Yeah, that's red.
Red, yeah.
Wait, the camera didn't even see it.
See, it's 5 and it's red around.
It's like an orange-red. You know those crayons, guys? The orange-red shade.
All right, I just picked your turn.
Okay.
So we can go by the shape and the color.
I got this again.
I hate this part, the picking. But guess what? Don't touch it. I can change.
What are you going to change it to?
I'm gonna change it to. What is this color? Teal?
That's like a aqua, like green and blue mix. That's
Well,
like one of my favorite
it's
colors.
teal.
So.
I'm calling it teal.
Okay, I
say.
have not a bunch, but some of those colors. I'm gonna
So
use
it's teal and circle.
the-
Okay. And we have a griffon. A griffon is a type of bird, or with a lion? I don't know.
It's a bird. It's like basically a bird mixed with a, I don't know.
Yeah, because it has a body
tail.
of
It has a
lion
tail.
and a tail.
I believe it is a lion mixed with a bird, Gryffindor. From Harry Potter, if you have watched Harry
I
Potter.
don't watch Harry Potter, so.
I've watched most of them. I think I watched the 4th one. I haven't watched the other one, so.
All right, so you have a monster, and you're ugly in the pack, and I'm gonna make it beautiful.
Well, I'm gonna make it even more beautiful.
Wow. And guess what I'm gonna do?
What are
Do
you
we
gonna
go by numbers too?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yay! So I'm gonna change it to a 4 purple.
Are you serious right now? Like, at least I do have those, but like,
You have a lot of purple. I can see your head.
I lift up my legs so you can't see.
Oh, my legs hurt.
Like, I wanted the color to change, but I didn't want it to be that color. So I'm just gonna put the griffin down.
All right. Guess what, guys?
She has 1 card left. I think I know what the like color or number is. So
What? Let's see.
I think it's square.
No.
It's not square. Are you telling the truth?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, you play, right? Or no?
I'm scared. What if it's this one?
Play.
Because you would have put it down already.
Play, play, play. It's your
I'm not
turn.
putting that one down. I'm not putting that one down.
Nope, I gotta go to the pack.
Guys, it's this one that she has in this shape.
Alright, I pick. Your turn. I have no play.
I'm going to keep picking because I do not want her to win.
Really? You're gonna keep picking. That means you're gonna have more cards, though.
No.
Still no. Oh, yep. Boom. You have more over there? So why you keep picking from the pack?
Because I know which one you have, and I
That's
have
not
that
cheating.
one. That's not cheating. That's just tactic.
You
smart.
You're changing the rules.
It's just being smart.
9. Haha. Change the color.
You have that color.
Hmm?
You have that
I'm changing from a 9 purple to a 9
hexagon.
whatever. Yeah.
But you have that. You're going to win.
Play,
No,
cheater.
You have it, though.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
So I was happy I actually had.
Yes, you
That's
do.
a red, right?
Yeah.
So this was the last card I had in my hand
Oh.
from earlier. So I get to play it.
Wait, so you don't have that same one in that hand.
Huh?
Do you have hexagon in your hand right now?
Play the game.
I'm scared,
Right,
guys.
Joe?
So I'm going to pick off the pack.
She's
I'm
cheating.
not putting that down. I'm so scared.
You're cheating because you have cards that you can play so I can win. You're cheating.
No, I'm not.
Mm.
I don't think she has this. So I'm actually going to put it down.
Zuri,
Because if she did have it, guys, then she would have put it down.
You're scratching the road.
If she did have it. And then she would have won, so.
Guess what?
What?
You cheat, and I still win. 10.
No! I knew I should have put down.
Champion.
I should have put down one of these.
And if you weren't picking from the pack, you probably would have come back and won.
I hate logic.
But you won in Jenga,
Yeah.
and I won in cards.
Get Zuri, guys. She has red eyes on the screen.
camera.
If I turn off the light, then it's gonna be hard to see. But wait, she has very pretty brown eyes. You can't really see her. Hazel kind of brown eyes that she has. So
All right, guys. Jolene want to play thumb wrestle, and then
Thumb
the
wars.
regular.
and then arm wrestle. So yeah.
Zuri
Oh
wanna
my
play.
god. She just decided to come and lay down right
Are
there.
we gonna play this again, or we're gonna go into the thumb?
Do you want to play again?
Can play one more.
Okay. Since we played Jenga twice too, so let's play twice for
Let me see.
each game. Sorry guys if the recording is not good because
All right, so we're gonna play one more round
I don't know how to shuffle.
if Zuri will allow us.
But I think I know how to do like this one. You know how you.
Oh yeah, and you. Yeah. That's how they do it at the casinos.
I don't know how to do that. I've seen
it on TV.
I've seen some of my classmates do it before.
All right, hold it. I'll shuffle.
Like my friend, he's done it before, but I don't know how to do it.
You want me to do it?
No. This is what I do.
Give me the cards. Let me do it. There you go.
Concentrating.
Stay tuned, guys. Guys, it's movie time. We played games, and now we're watching the movie. It's called The Little Giants. Until next time, say bye, Jolene. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for joining us tonight with our game and movie night. Remember to like, to share, to comment to my channel. That is Dory Vlogs 29. Bye.